Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about supply versus demand. So if you're looking for a property to renovate for a profit, you want to make sure there are plenty of buyers looking in your suburb, but not too many houses on the market for sale. So how do we find out what the supply versus demand is in your suburb? Well, I want to show you a very quick way of finding out. So firstly, let's just go on the internet and I'll share my screen. And we'll go to realestate.com.au and we want to look at buy. So we want to look at houses currently for sale. I've chosen Greenwood as a suburb for our example. Now underneath here, we want to change all property types to house because we only want to know how many houses are for sale. And we want to untick surrounding suburbs so that we can just find the amount or the number of houses for sale in Greenwood, not the surrounding suburbs. So the total results here is 47. So there's 47 houses currently for sale. So next we want to go to Your Investment Property magazine, which is a great online magazine, which is free. And there's free suburb reports down here on the right. So I've typed in Greenwood and it will bring us up with some information about Greenwood. It shows us the median house price, the capital growth over the past year and the weekly median advertised rent. But the number that we're looking for here is the number of sales that have happened in Greenwood for houses in the past 12 months. 145 houses have sold in Greenwood and there's currently 47 houses on the market for sale. So that would indicate that there is more demand in Greenwood than there is supply. So that could be a suburb to start looking in for your renovation. So I hope you've enjoyed that quick little tip. And if you'd like to find out more, you can join my insiders list here on my Facebook page. So happy house hunting. Bye.